Binuang man ni. Unsa man ni sila? 5 hours na yung minaabot diri. Hanggaw ni ilang concert. Oy! Di man ni concert! Padaghanay man ni singot!
Videos of an excited crowd was captured Saturday afternoon, March 26, 2022, getting their way to get inside, to the Cebu City Sports Center for a free concert, the first major public event held in the city, following the easing of most restrictions under Alert Level 1. Cebu City Mayor Michael Rama said, "The massive crowd and the eager audience show how much the Cebuanos thirst for the freedom to participate in public events again, following the pandemic." With this, he plans to hold another concert at the South Road Properties, SRP, to accommodate more spectators. A total of 21 individuals experienced difficulty in breathing and dizziness during the event, as of 9 p.m., according to the Cebu City Command Center. Some footwears were also left unintentionally, outside the gate of the sports center, amid the huge number of crowd. Those who may have misplaced their shoes or sandals during the concert, may claim the items at the Cebu City Sports Center. Organizers clarified that the free concert is not a political gathering, but a celebration after Cebuanos managed to overcome the effects of the pandemic and Typhoon Odette. The free concert showcased Manila-based entertainers and local bands with celebrities.
Biha, linya. Uy, linya. Abi na kung unsa saba. Linya sa concert sa Abiliana, guys. Wow, sana all. Taas kaayo.
Wala dyan mga tao, awa. Patay, nag-break out na na. Patay, crowd control. Wala mga tao, awa na.